So yeah, this is questions and answers. I'm Lawrence Man, this is LAWRENCEcanDRAW, but today is questions and answers again. And yeah, this is a bit different in the fact that I'm asking the questions, punk. And hopefully you'll give me some answers in the comments below. That'd be absolutely cracking if you could. It's also a bit different in the fact that I have a Tina Turner mic. Woohoo! Why have I got this mic? Well, I'm out of shot now. I don't have to be near my desk anymore. I'm unplugged, untethered, whatever you want to call it. I just got a bit of new tech just for in the studio. Just basically, if I have my mic here, then I'm kind of always have to be in front of it, and when I'm doing unboxings I like to be able to move around, but it means I have to then go back and record the audio afterwards because I can't record the audio while I'm doing an unboxing. So I thought I'd get this so I can, but my face isn't on camera anyway, so it doesn't matter, you don't have to look at this all the time. But I thought the first time I ever tried it out, I'd try it out on my daily. So I went on Amazon and I bought the second cheapest transmitter, one of these. And I thought I'd try it out on you. I'd subject you to this horror. I don't know how bad it sounds. You're getting to hear this before me. Well, I'll hear it when I play back, but that is what this is. This is the Fifine K037B. That's what it looks like. That's what you get. It came with a lavalier mic, but the lavalier mic clips on. I don't know. This Tina Turner thing, I think, kind of works okay. I feel like one of those gospel preachers or kind of Ricky Lake type people, or like Five. Like, I'm going to do some dancing if there was more people here wearing these. I don't know. It doesn't bother me. It feels okay. I don't, as long as the quality's alright, I could maybe attach another mic to the transmitter, get a better quality mic. It's fine for now. But I thought, you know, let me know what you think of the quality. I'm not saying rush out and buy this. These go all the way from $10 to $2,000. This one cost $35. I just thought I'd get it and see what the quality was like and see what it was like to work with once or twice. If I like this, I could always try and get a better quality one. If this seems okay, I've had cheap tech before that actually works out pretty good. And then I've bought cheap tech before that turns out to be awful. So let's just see how this goes. Okay? Let me know what you think in the comments. I'd, like to know what you think of this audio. I am tone deaf. If my audio is ever off, that's why. I am tone deaf. Right. I had a couple of comments, by the way, saying, oh, this guy doesn't get into it for the first 4 minutes. I don't. It's called channel context. What do you want me to say? This is just me talking about the channel, looking after my subscribers more than anybody else. I chat about my channel and what goes on. Letting you know there will be different ways of me doing audio. Maybe the fact that I'm updating stuff and, cool. So, on with today's actual topic, questions and answers. What is the question that I am asking? The question is, where do you get your tech news from? Now, I'm not specifically meaning reviews, because I understand you come to YouTube for your reviews. But I mean, where do you find out about new devices, new tech? Where do you find out about your gossip from? Because obviously the reviews, we know how you find out about that, but do you actually find out about new kinds of tech from the same sources? Do you find out about new tech in the reviews? Or are you looking up, actual tech blogs like The Verge and TechCrunch? Or is it via places like Twitter and Facebook? Are you a member of groups? Let me know below in the comments. I'd love to hear where you actually get your tech news from. Are you following certain people on Twitter and Facebook? You know, are you actually going to events and groups? Is it just word of mouth for you friends? I'd be really interested to know. You know, is it via work? I do a lot of work with companies, so I talk to people well in advance. I sometimes get hints and would love to actually tell you, but can't. Sometimes I even have to sign NDAs, you know, non-disclosure agreements, telling me I'm not allowed to talk about things. You know, I even hear things, you know, through the industry that I'm, you know, I kind of, some things I'm just like, oh, that doesn't mean anything. And then 6 months later, oh, I wish I'd have made a video on that. But, yeah, I just, how do you actually find out about your tech news? It'd just be really interesting to know you know, the sources that you have. But not just that, but what interests you. I'm doing these daily videos now. And if I'm going to make videos every day talking about things, then what kind of news, what kind of tech news would you like to hear? What news would you like to cover? Because I review tech for digital artists and creatives, but there's only so many drawing tablets in the world. So let me know how you'd like me to expand. I'm not on about reviews necessarily, though that's cool. If you want to make a comment about what else you'd like me to review, of course I will try and get as much in as possible, and with more subscribers I can certainly have the pulling power to do that. But just talking about tech in general, for creatives and artists, what subjects would you like me to cover, for example? I am going, you know, hopefully going to be able to go to more and more events. I'm going to Vertex in London on the 8th of next month as a speaker. So please come along if, you know, if you can make that. So, yeah, I'll be covering that on my channel as well. I've got some cool new subjects coming up as well, and reviews. If you follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, etc., etc., etc. But yeah, you pick the topics primarily, and this is why I want to do Q&As and things like that. But if you tell me where you get your tech news from, then it's also one way of me being able to kind of make sure that I cover the same kind of news that you want to know about. So have a think about those things and let me know in the comments below what you want to hear about, and that'll be cool. And yeah, I can make the content more shaped for you personally as a community. Right, I'll get on with things, make some more videos, and chat to you soon. Keep being creative, have a great day, chat later.